Pari, today's our topic, should euthanasia be legalized or not? So my opinion is this should not be legalized, because you can see that if you have a way to live, so why you don't consider that way? You can see that in this world we all have very problems, so we have to handle it. In our Hindu culture, it is not considered that you have to die. You can fight with your problems, not that kind of, if you have a, like suppose that if you have a cancer, so cancer have a treatment. This is not right way to die without any kind of time and all. So by euthanasia, the person can be die without his time or without his condition. Sometimes miracles also can happen. Maybe in your time miracle can happen. And you can see that if somebody is your family member, so you should never accept euthanasia, because when it comes to from your family, so you should not consider it. So my opinion in this should not be legal in our India.
As per my view, euthanasia should be implemented in India, because you can see that first of all there are two types of euthanasia. First, passive euthanasia, and second, active euthanasia. Active euthanasia means that the doctor will give you drugs, lethal injection, and you will die immediately without any kind of pain. And the second is passive euthanasia. The passive euthanasia means that if you are very in bad condition, if you are suffering from very bad condition, like you can take an example of a cancer and a paralysis, it's very high, it's very bad for us, so the doctor will leave you on your condition. They will not give you they will not give you good treat, they will not give you health treat, they will leave you on a ventilator, then you will die by too much pain. As per my view, euthanasia should be implemented, and the person who is not able to who is not able to do any kind of work, who is not able to walk, who is not able to sit, who is not able to eat food properly, so why should he leave him? And you can see that there are so many countries like Colombia, Canada, they are thinking about this euthanasia should implement it or not. They are discussing about it, and it's your own choice. Nobody can't snatch your choice. It's your own wish. You can die and you can live. It's your choice. Nobody can't kill you without your permission.
As per my view, euthanasia should be legalized in India, because you can see that euthanasia is good. You can't blame that it kills you. It also prevents you, like when somebody has 0% chances of surviving, so you can kill him with euthanasia and donate their organs in the people who don't have eyes, who don't have hands. Okay, so you can donate your organs, and you can also see that the treatment is just wasting who have just 0% chances of surviving. So you should save that money and use this money on the people who has more chances to surviving.
But
Okay,
do you know that person will definitely die? Do you have any kind of certificate that the person should be died in future? No. How can you say that the person should be die in the future? Maybe the miracle can happen and and the person will alive.
what kind of miracle about you are saying?
Suppose that if there is no chances to survive, but suppose that the person can then alive, so what will the doctors do? The active euthanasia should be legalized, but not the passive euthanasia, because the doctor's work is to treat every and each patients equally. So how can they leave patient in the ventilator? This is wrong, bro. Think about it.
If you are not providing one patient the poison, then you are providing the patient the pain. Okay,
But
you are providing the pain.
So poison is not painful.
No,
How?
you will die once.
This is
Okay, so there's no pain.
According to me, euthanasia is legalized in India, because if you see that many countries they are discussing about this topic, like New Zealand, Belgium, or Canada, and etc. You can see that which children they born like paralyzed and handicapped from their body and physical, they have physical disturbance, and it also become the reason of burden of your family. It is the burden of on your family. Like your parents can care you. They will not think that he is paralyzed and etc. They will also think that he is my children, or they will not also kick out you. But and no parents want that my child will die. Okay, if you and like you can also see that when your parents is not in the world, okay, so your brother sister, they will not care you like your parents. They will not do your clean your wastage and etc. So it should also be good for those people who is not able to do any work and etc. So according to me, euthanasia is legalized in India.
And there are also so many countries who which have applied it, implemented this euthanasia, like America and Australia. You can see that they have implemented this euthanasia in some part of Australia and America.
I think euthanasia implemented in India because in India most of people are very poor, so they are the